Which direction should your new home face? From the floor plan to interior design options, there are many things to think about when choosing a new home. Should you also consider which direction your new home faces? Whether or not you choose a completed home, or you select a home site and build from the ground up, here are a few things to think about when it comes to which direction your home faces. Some of these considerations are cultural, while others relate to light and climate. If you find it difficult to choose between two or more homes or home sites, these considerations could be helpful in making a final decision. For home buyers, the fact that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west was something to consider when choosing their home site. With a west-facing home, the sun will rise in your backyard, and set in the front. For an east-facing home, the opposite is true. Placement on the home site can also be important for energy conservation and comfort. Typically, a south-facing home gets sun for most of the day, especially at the front of the house, and is therefore usually brighter and warmer. A north-facing home gets sun at the back of the house and is typically darker and naturally cooler than a south-facing one. The direction a home faces is also important in some cultural traditions. Many people know about Feng Shui, the Chinese art of placement. In that tradition, the best orientation for the front door can depend on the lucky Feng Shui directions for family members. In Vastu Shastra, a traditional Hindu system of architecture, the east and north are considered to be of great importance for prosperity and health. If you love to spend time outside on the patio, or front porch, consider which way the prevailing breeze blows. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.